Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and in front of me, I have my first ever new iPhone. So I've never actually owned a brand new iPhone. I had an iPhone 4S, but it was before I had a SIM card with service. So I've been using Android ever since, and I gotta say, I am really excited for this phone. So without further ado, come on, you know what you're here for, that ASMR unboxing. I'm just kidding, we're not doing an ASMR unboxing. Let's get to it. Oh, here we go. We got the pull tab. Whoa. Oh boy. Okay, designed by Apple in California. In case you forgot, the spaceship is in California. We got our Apple stickers. No one cares. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it is the gold iPhone XS Max. Wow, it's beautiful. The stainless steel is already getting fingerprinty, but you know what we're here for. Here we go. Oh, here we go. So good. Always wanted to do that. I mean, come on, no manufacturer does that like Apple. Like, I've had 2 Android phones in my life. Samsung, my S6 was in a bag. In a freaking bag. Like, Apple, thank you. Okay? You gave me an experience that just, I want to cry. Alright, so what else is in the box? Do we even care? We got our brick, our 5 watt power brick. Ooh, is it a matte? No, it's not a matte finish. It's shiny. It just had some paper over it. It's that same shine you're used to. No fast charger. Just get it together. It's okay. We got our lightning ear pods with no adapter on the back. I'm not getting triggered. I'm not, the Android fanboy in me is not coming out. It's okay. So we got our cable. All right. We're gonna set all this aside. Now we have the Apple leather case. Spoiler alert, I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this case, but it's leather. So we're gonna, this gold is so good. We're gonna drop it in the case. Oh, here we go. But we gotta turn it on. Oh, it's turning itself on! What? It must have hit the button when I put it in the case. Okay, so immediately when I pulled it out of the box, I noticed something that I'm really not okay with. Like, this is a $1,000 phone. Why? Look. If you notice, the speaker grills are uneven. Apple was like, you know what, we need to put an antenna band right there. In reality, it is for the gigabit LTE because if you are unaware, this phone supports gigabit LTE, so that's pretty cool. But the extra antenna band is annoying. Hey, editing Christian here. So there's something I forgot to mention in my unboxing, and I forgot to portray how truly premium this phone feels. Now I get it, it's not about how nice a phone feels, it's about functionality. So obviously I'm going to be doing a full review, camera tests, I'm going to do vigorous testing in many videos on this iPhone. But I thought it was worth mentioning, it does feel like a $1,000 phone. All these people are whining about the price tag, and yeah, the price tag is absurd. But hey, at least for that $1,000 price tag, you're getting a phone that feels like it's worth the money. Like, this feels like a piece of jewelry. My Pixel 2, the coating on the back just feels really plasticky. This doesn't really feel like an $850 phone. This, oh yeah, this feels like a $1,000 phone. Well, I think that's going to be it for this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up, get my SIM card in there. I'm doing case reviews, looking at chargers, camera showdowns. Okay, we got the Pixel 2 has the best camera on a phone right now, arguably. This camera looked pretty darn good in the keynote. So if you want to see them go head to head, hit the subscribe button. So what do you guys think? Is the iPhone XS cool? Am I just being stupid getting excited over that? I'd love to know. Drop a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos over there. And with that said, I will catch you guys next time.